there, students. I know I have not been uploading any video for a while now, but I do want to keep my promise, and that we are going to do solving quadratic equations. So to solve the quadratic equations, you have 5 different methods to do it. The good thing is there's not just one way to solve it. There's few different ways, but the quadratic formula is your safest route. Safest route in a way that, because if you get confused with all the other methods, quadratic formula is the one that's going to always get you there. This is the formula. However, a big however, 2 biggest common mistake that students always do, they forget to divide by 2a. The second thing that students usually forget to do, they forget to take the square roots. Remember to divide by 2a and remember to take the square roots. It's actually 2 solutions you're going to have to find. You're going to find an x1 and you're going to find an x2. The x1 is going to be this first part, negative b, plus this whole thing divided by 2a. And then your x2 would be negative b minus this whole thing divided by 2a. You basically have to use this formula. One you're going to add, the other one you're going to subtract. Remember, 2 solutions we have to find, an x1 and an x2 using the adding and subtracting. If I'm giving you these quadratic equations, we know that it's ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. We are going to identify what is my a, what is my b, what is my c. So what is my a in here? So my a is x squared, so this is my a. My a is 2. What is my b? The coefficients in front of my x is my b, which is negative 3. What is my c? My c is negative 5. Okay? All right, easy peasy, like I said. So my x is, I'm going to rewrite everything. Negative b, so negative of negative 3 plus minus square root b squared. So we're going to take negative 3, square it, minus 4 times, right, AC, so negative 4 times 2 times, my c is negative 5. Okay, so let's not forget our 2a at the bottom. So 2 times a, my a is 2. Okay, so far so good. All that we did is we replace the letter with the number, right? Negative 3. Let's double check that. Please make sure to double check before moving to the next line, because guess what? If you plug in the wrong thing, your next line is going to be wrong. So it's not a race. Double check. Negative 3 plus minus square root negative 3 square minus 4 times 2 times negative 5. And 2 times 2. Looks good. Negative times negative 3 is positive 3 plus minus square root. So negative 3 power of 2 is 9. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. And then negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 5 is positive 40. So at the bottom now, 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, let's double check. Positive 3, 9, negative 4. Yes, okay, so x equals 3 plus minus square root of 49 over 4. Okay, so square root of 49 is 7. So remember, we're going to do the addition to find out x1, and then we're going to subtract to find out x2. So x equals 3 plus minus square root of 49, which is 7 over 4. We have to find x1 and x2. So my x1 would be 3 plus 7 divided by 4. Okay, so 3 plus 7 divided by 4 equals 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 divided by 4 is 5 over 2. Now my x2 is going to be 3 minus 7 divided by 4. We are doing the subtractions, which is, my x2 is 3 minus 7 divided by 4, which is negative 4. Negative 4 divided by 4 is negative 1. So we use x1 and x2 to show that we have two solutions. But in reality, you don't need to indicate the 1 and the 2. You can just write the answer in such a way as x equals 2.5, x equals negative 1. And if you want to write it as a solution set, you're going to use the bracket. All right? It's easy, right? All right, good job, students. Remember to use your super brain. And like you always tell me, it's mega mind. Okay, so remember to use your mega mind, okay? All right. Until next time. Talk to you soon. Bye.